This is amazing. Look at the foam. Look at the foam, guys. Hello guys, Ekrem here from City Roast. Today I want to make a coffee with my new toy, the Nanofoamer lithium. You can check it out here. Press once, one speed. Press twice, a little bit slower. Third time it turns off. You can charge it here. There are two nano screens, the fine one and a super fine, and a sleeve. Let's make some coffee, guys. Let's heat the milk up. So we have I have preheated the milk. Now let's try. This is my second time actually I'm using it, so I'm still an amateur. Let's aerate it first, put some air, and then break the bubbles and create the microfoam. And now lower it and let's try and create some microfoam. It should be done when you can't see any more big bubbles, when it starts to shine and look like wet paint. And I think it's about to happen now. Let's turn it off. Wash it right away. Looks very nice. Now let's make some coffee and see if I can draw something for you guys. I should actually have made the coffee first, because now my milk has been standing and maybe it has separated. Maybe it will be a bit tough, difficult to draw with it, but I hope that I'm lucky. But really nice foam. Okay, let me just show you this one. Make a close up. Really nice, actually. This is amazing. Look at the foam. Look at the foam, guys. Oh my god. And this is this happened by this little tool here. Wow. Wow. Really incredible. Okay, I am definitely impressed by this.